Bigat yung bag ko sa... Kasi kaya ko ba to? Kaya yan? Are they serious? I'm getting dead na. God, please help me.
You are this one, 我帮你用关系。Put here. 这个没有不印的嘛？
没有了。
这个要吧？
这个
比较的。
camera。
哎呀。你的。这个嘞？
哦，不用了，等一下，我东西都多了。No space.
This one you are?
Yeah.
Okay, go inside.
Thank you.
然后那个风。
Yeah, it's me. We're heading hike.
Okay.
Thank you. Dito yung kuhanan ng permit. May orientation kami.
Oh, hello everyone. Welcome to Jiamin Lake Trail. Yeah. Now we will introduce something that you should follow in this area. The first thing is we have a black bear in this area. So when you encounter a black bear, so 3 things not to do: don't climb a tree, don't play dead, don't run away. Better things you.
Nandito na kami, guys. I think this is the road. Oh, bigat ng bag ko. Bakit ganito? Oh, my bag is so heavy. It looks like 10 kilos. I can't believe it. This is so freaking heavy. Look at my lips. God help me. Guys, nakailang altitude ako. It's not good. I really feel bad. For the first day of hiking. Buti na lang si Jess kasama ko. Lagi niya akong hinihintay. Wala na akong bag. Binitbit na nila lahat. Laki, may taga-bit-bit ako. Tinutulungan nila ako. Grabe na altitude ako. This is the beginning only. Wala pa yung 13 kilometers. Tingnan niyo yung falls. Dadaanan namin. Malapit na kami sa Sanyang Cabin. Grabe ang hirap. Welcome home. Tita? Finally, I'm alive. I thought mamamatay na ako. I'm super dead. Kaya ako.
Andito nga po pala si Maymay. Andito nga po pala si Maymay.
Grabe. 2 beses ako na altitude. Guys, ito yung Shanyang Cabin. So, for today, dito kami matutulog. May mga tsekwa din kaming kasama. Ang liliit lang ng bag. Cheers. Itong plato natin. At least makabawit na tayo. So freaking cold. Yeah. Red na red pa yung lips ko.
Habulin natin yung sunrise. Hindi natin yung
The journey begin. Tingnan nyo guys. Jamming Lake from here to 13 kilometers. Oh my God. This is 7 a.m. Gonna wait for the sunrise. Oh my God, this is so exciting. Hi guys, good morning. Today nandito kami sa napakaganda Jamming Lake. Oh my God, worth it ang pagod. Ang ganda, grabe. Can you imagine na altitude na hindi matay na, pero worth it ang ano. Ito yung matagal kong hinihintay dito sa Taiwan na mapupuntahan. Thank you God for the amazing sea of clouds. Tapos ang view. Grabe. Worth it. guys, we are done in Jamming-ho. Dito nagtatapos ang 2 days rest dito sa Jamming Lake. Look at that. Grabe, ang ganda niya. Thank you so much, God. What a beautiful day. Hindi siya naulan. It's amazing experience. Yung wala kaming tulog. Tapos ganito yung madadat na namin. Thank you so much. Matapos ng 12 years ko dito sa Taiwan. Or maybe not 12 years. Pero ang dami ko naman din napuntahan. Kaya thank you. Hindi ako makakit over sa ganda. Pupunta kami doon.
Oo. O ikaw, mag-picture sa akin ng birth
Ano na
certificate.
kayo? Pang certificate?
Pili ka na lang yan. Pili ka na. Hindi, sa baba, sa baba. Sa baba yung pang certificate. Ah.
Wow. Look at that, guys. Ang ganda. Grabe. Imagine. Ito yung pinaka-ano na lake dito sa Taiwan. My God. Yo! I'm a stronger girl for today. But later, I'm dead.
Guys, ang gaganda ng picture ko pagdating sa akin.
Kala niyo hindi malinaw ang tubig? Tabi-tabi po, malinaw po to. Look. Super linaw. Wait. Bago ako umalis, itatouch ko muna ng tubig. Wow. Look. Tabi-tabi. Thank you. Ang ganda. Look at the hikers here.
Para walang shadow.
Mount Sancha. Ganda. Guys, ayan yung jamming cabin. Pag dito kayo pag-start mag-hiking, pag diyan kayo natutulog, hindi mo siya masyadong nakakapagod. Pero since sa amin, sa Sanyang cabin kami, mula Sanyang cabin, from jamming cabin, ay 8.7 kilometer. What a cute cabin. unsupported. My God, I cannot expect the hike. It's too much exhausted, but the view, look at that. Ang view lang maganda, pero exhausted na ako. My goodness, I can't believe it, but Jaming Lake is the most beautiful lake here in Taiwan. So if you're in Taiwan, don't forget to visit a Jaming Lake, but make sure you need to visit here 3 days, not 2 days, because I hike here for 2 days only. I don't have much sleeping because yesterday I left in the Taoyuan at 10 p.m. so I arrived here at I think 9 a.m. in the morning. So it's been a long drive. Plus we went to the police station to get a permit, so we started to hike at I think at 9:30. So it's so freaking tired, guys. It's not easy, I swear. But look at that. Unbelievable. Thank you, God, for the beautiful weather and the beautiful place that I experienced today. That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye. The 1,000 years old tree. Tingnan na naman, buhay na buhay. Eh ako kaya, abot pa kaya ako ng 1,000? Ah, feeling ko hindi. Char. Guys, sa totoo, iyan daw yung 1,000 years old na tree dito. It's amazing.